Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add button over image in Elementor in WordPress. Right now, as you can see, I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and here we are having a plus icon in the middle of the screen that we can use to create a section. So we are going to click on that, and here it is asking us about the layout, whether we want flexbox or whether we want grid. So I am selecting grid over here. You can select as per your convenience or requirement. Here it is asking us about the structure, so we are going to select the one row two column structure, and here in the left side toolbar, as you can see, you can simply increase the height of the section as well, right? So we have increased the height to little bit. Okay, now we are going to add a container in it, right? So for adding a container, you can move your cursor over the black header line in the top and click on add element plus icon, and here search for a container first. Okay, we have container widget available, so we are going to drag and drop this container widget from the left side toolbar to our first column. Okay, we have successfully done that. Now we are going to edit this container, and for editing the container, you can move your cursor in the top left corner of the container and click on edit container button, the gray box icon, and here in the left side toolbar you can simply go to the style setting. There are three kinds of settings available: layout settings, style setting, and advanced setting. So I have moved to style setting, and in the background we have selected normal, and in the background type we are going to select the classic, and here it is asking us to choose image, so we have clicked on that. Now in the media library we can select any image, and we can click on select, and as you can see, the image is not getting displayed properly, so we need to change the display size to cover, right? And in the position we can also use custom position and can increase or decrease Y position and X position. Okay, now if I want to add button over this image, right, then what we need to do is we need to move our cursor again on the top header line in the black color and click on add element, the plus icon, and search for button widget in the left side toolbar, and just drag and drop this button widget from the left side toolbar to the container that we have created, right? Okay, the button has been added. We can also change the position of the button by moving in the left side toolbar in the advanced settings, and in the advanced setting, as you can see, there are layout option. In the layout we have a margin option, and in the margin, as you can see, we can mention top, right, bottom, and left values, and there is a link values together button also, right? We can delink it and can increase the margin from the top. Okay, button is moving downwards, and now we can simply increase the margin from the left side and can move this button to the center. Okay, now we can add the link to this button by going to the content setting, and here you can simply add the link in the link box, right? So this is how you can add button in a background image in Elementor in WordPress. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.